My name is Gloria Henry, and I own Gloria's Possibilities in Nashua, New Hampshire, USA. I opened my business in 2013. At that time, I was at a crossroad in life, and I was looking for a creative expression using a retail venue. For 37 years, I'd always been fascinated by this Victorian house. It had once been a private home before becoming part of the city library system. And in 2013, it became available, and the rest is history. I became an Annie Sloan stockist, and the creative venture has been so amazing. I happened upon Annie's paint in 2011, and I was completely blown away by the results that I got. What more can you say? There's no priming, there's no sanding, and it covers almost every surface. We feel that it's important to have community involvement. It assists in building a stronger customer base, and it allows everyone to see that you are vital to the growth and development of your town. And this creates a sense of local pride and community building. I am your neighbor. I live and I work in the hood. Support local.